So once again, welcome to this online portal of free coaching, learning, you can say. And this portal is basically exam-oriented videos portal. It is okay. Only exam-oriented content you will find here. Not any other blah 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 will be here. Okay, only the exam-oriented content for your reference for your exams. So let's begin this video, and let me tell you that this video will be very useful to you who are very confused in what to read in literary criticism and how to start preparation for unit number 6, 7 and 8 of literary theory and criticism. So first of all, we need to read structuralist criticism. And in structuralist criticism, you will find Ferdinand Saussure, a very great figure of literary criticism, and his book is there, published in 1915. The title of the book is Course in General Linguistics. So that book, Course in General Linguistics, is very helpful to you, and his ideas on language as a structure you will find there in that book. So major ideas you need to refer for your reference for the exam. Okay, then another important thing is there, structural anthropology. Structural anthropology is having Claude Levi-Strauss and his structuralist principle that you must refer. Then A.J. Greimas is there. Then Tzevetan, Todorov and Gerard, Genette on structuralism. So these three important figures are there on structuralism. Their ideas, their important major ideas you need to refer. Okay, you can make notes also on their ideas, what they want to say. Okay, what are their ideas on structuralism or structuralist criticism? Okay, what they asked in exam, they ask that simple thing, the detailed thing, the ideas of different critics, the ideas of different literary theorists. So that they ask, so that you can note down in your copy. Then semiotics is there. What is semiotics? Identify, be familiar with that. Okay, just find out its definition, its importance, its concept, its fundamental ideas, and how it works. Okay, then moving ahead, important second concept is deconstruction by Jacques Derrida. Jacques Derrida's ideas on deconstruction. What is deconstruction? That you need to refer and be familiarized with. Then new historicism is there. Very important concept in modern literary theory. New historicism, old historicism and new historicism. The comparison you have to do. Then key difference and major texts you have to read. Major text will include Stephen Greenblat, the literary critic. His text will be there in new historicism that you can refer. Then cultural materialism or cultural criticism, we can say. So major theories of this particular concept and critics, major theories and critics, the founders of this particular theory, cultural criticism. So Raymond Williams and others that you need to refer. Many videos are there on my channel also, where I have created videos on particular concept that you can refer. You can search in the playlist. Then ahead is reader response criticism, and this particular concept includes transactional reader response theory. Okay, transactional reader response theory, then affective stylistics, subjective reader response theory, and psychological reader response theory, as well as reception theory. So these important theories you need to focus, not only just reader response criticism. This criticism, this theory includes a lot of sub theories, we can say. Okay, those you need to refer. Okay, so find them out from different books you have, and you can also search on YouTube as well as on different websites for your for making the notes better. Okay, then feminist criticism, very important critical theory it is, and it's not the old, it's not the new one, it is very old one. Okay, major works are there on feminism also. I created one video also on that, on the post-colonial literary theories. So you can find the video on my channel. I will also provide the link there in the description. Don't worry about that. So feminist criticism will include so many books, important books, and psychoanalytic criticism. It is also there in one of my video. So major texts and major writers you need to refer. Then Marxist criticism, David Forgacs reflection model, then production model and genetic model. Three important models are there. So those you need to refer. Then Frankfurt School, theories and texts, which are the important texts. You don't need to read the whole text, because so many texts will be there. So just focus on the important ideas the text is giving to you. Okay, you can go for the review given on different websites regarding any text. Then hermeneutics is having important facts with familiarity of texts. So friends, these 9 important ideas or topics I have given here to you for your reference. I'm always focusing on self learning and self study. So I did it already, and I did in this way only. Okay, and one is my advice, or you can say a suggestion, that do self study without focusing on any paid classes, without just being dependent on any coaching classes which are asking a lot of money. Okay, this online platform is there, YouTube is there, blogs are there. Okay, not just my platform, but so many other platforms are there from where you can learn in a better way. Just you need to believe in yourself that you can do it in a proper time, with a proper schedule, and with a proper timetable that you can prepare by yourself. Okay, if you have any kind of query regarding this topic or any other topic of English literature, language education, PhD admission, anything is there regarding education, you can ask in the comment box. So we end this session here. Thank you so much, friends.